Have you ever wondered how you can stand out from all the other homes that are for sale on the market? Find out in this episode. Welcome everyone to this episode of the Ask Jason Gelios show. I'm Jason Gelios, Michigan Realtor. Hey, if you're not following me on social media, go ahead and do that now. And if you're watching this on YouTube, hit the bell because you don't want to miss out on the valuable content that I upload at least once a week with this show and then other videos that I upload. So now that we got that out of the way, I had a great question about how do I stand out from the competition? How do I make my home so appealing compared to the other homes that are in my neighborhood on the market? I want people to come to my house. And so this applies whether you have a real estate agent or not, whether you're looking to sell by owner or you have an agent. This is the most important thing besides coming out to the market. Okay, this is probably the second most important thing. The first one is coming out on the market at the right price. Don't overprice and think that, well, I can just bring the price down. Well, no, that's going to hurt you. That's going to cost you a lot of money. So you want to make sure that you have the right price. Now, in this video, I want to talk about condition of the home. I've showed many homes to many buyers where you walk in and we've wondered how they don't have the little stuff taken care of. And what I mean is, you know, for example, and I stated this in an earlier video, but dirty caulk in the bathroom, that's nasty. And that's a simple fix. A little caulk tube costs about, let's just say you buy two of them, $10, right? Very simple thing, okay? Door handles, I've seen door handles that I could barely get the key in and get in the home. So, you know, door handle could be anywhere from $10 for a cheap one, upwards to like $50. But just, you know, these little things, the condition of the home. Is your carpet wrecked? Fix it. Do something. Find a way to fix these things. The condition of your home is going to make a huge difference. When a buyer goes through your home and they see that even the little things, right, the condition of the property is not that well. Let's say the grass looks horrible, looks like it hasn't been watered in months. You know, kitchen's unorganized. There's all this stuff laying all over the place, dirty. The sinks are dirty, right? If they see that compared to other homes that maybe took a little more time, then they're not going to put an offer in on your home. You may get an investor who says, hey, I'll offer you way less. But just know that, you know, you want to make sure that the condition of your home is good. So that's probably the second most important thing. We'll talk about price in another video, but make sure that your home is in great condition, okay? Maybe even just good, just the little things. All right, door handles that work, bathrooms that are clean, grout that is clean. Dirty grout is a major turnoff. Doors that don't close properly. Trying to think of some other things. I mean, there's so many little things. Dirty floor mat, torn floor mat. I've seen that before. You walk in and it's like this floor mat, they could have got a $20 floor mat brand new, but instead they left this one that was torn. Couldn't believe it. So, oh, here's another one too, is weeds, right? Curb appeals, everything. Drive up to your home and look and say, okay, if I was a buyer, what would catch my eye first, right? I pull up to the home and I see, oh, there's weeds everywhere. Dead flowers, dead plants, dead trees. Get rid of it. All that stuff makes a difference. If you have someone, a potential buyer coming up and they're like, oh my gosh, this is probably gonna be bad. If their impression is bad before they even go into the house, their mindset thinks, wow, this isn't for me. So, and they're gonna find reasons why they don't like your home. So condition of the property is huge. Again, go ahead and follow me on social media if you haven't done so already. I'm Jason Gelios, Michigan Realtor. Really appreciate you guys tuning in. Oh, visit my website. It's allabouttherealestate.com. I'll see you guys next week. Thanks guys for watching this episode of the Ask Jason Gelios show. Did you know that I also have a podcast? Go to where you love your podcasts, where you love to listen to those podcasts, right? Search Ask Jason Gelios show, or you can search my name, Jason, Gelios, and be sure to subscribe. Take me on the road with you, right? You can hit audio. I add episodes all the time. Be sure to subscribe to my podcast. Thank you.